how to fix Bluetooth unavailable on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. I'll show you some ways how you can fix this issue. First things first, go to the settings and there tap on Bluetooth and then try toggling it on and toggling it off again. However, if you have already tried that, then come back and then go to General and tap on Software Update. Sometimes software not being updated might also result in this issue. So make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. And then another solution is scroll down, go to screen time, and then go to content and privacy restrictions and toggle it off. However, this also doesn't solve your issue. Then you'll need to restart a device. Sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. So swipe down the notification bar from the right side, access the control center, and tap the power button on the top right. And I hope one of this solution helps you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.